You guys must have recently seen the impact that Jai Bhim had on the audience. It was not just a movie which showed the ground reality, but also gave a mirror image of the government and the privileged citizens' ignorance throughout. So, if you want to know the critics' review and the rating on the movie, and also a slight controversy that went on about this movie, then keep watching this video till the end. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. Jai Bhim is currently the highest user rated film on IMDb with a score of 9.6 out of 10 and has become the first Indian film to achieve the feat. 92,154 IMDb users have given an average vote of 9.6 out of 10, which is so huge. And this is not surprising at all because this wonderful movie deserves all of it. Jai Bhim is perhaps one of the boldest films to have come out of Tamil cinema. It does not dare to turn its back on hitting where it hurts the most. And its politics is not weighed down by the presence of a star like Surya. The movie got released on 2nd November 2021 in Amazon Prime and the running time is 164 minutes. Also, let me tell a very interesting fact that Surya did. He did a donation of 1 crore to the Pasanguri Irula Trust for their education. That is surely appreciation worthy. Now, before I jump into the critic review, let me tell what M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, said about this movie. So he praised the film, saying it had occupied his thoughts all night long. He stated that the core issue of the film reminded him of his own time in prison when arrested in 1976 under MISA, that is Maintenance of Internal Security Act 1971, during the emergency period. And that his heart felt very heavy after watching the film because he lived through it. Now let me directly jump into the critics review. Now I'll tell some of the critics review about this movie. So the first is Ranjini Krishna Kumar of Film Companion. They wrote, Jai Bhim is a solid film held together by crafty writing, thoughtful making, restrained performance, and a true incident of the justice system restoring hope. Well, exactly, I totally agree with this. Next, NDTV gave the film 3.5 out of 5. Okay, I think that's a little less for this movie, but let's see what they have to write about this movie. So they wrote, the amalgamation of the lead actor's charisma, the urgency of the theme, and the force of the no-holds-barred storytelling results in an immersive and riveting film that calls attention to the plight of an oppressed community languishing on the fringes of society. Yes, exactly, that's what was shown in the movie. So I guess the ratings should have been a little high, maybe. But okay. Then the Indian Express gave the film a 4 out of 5, and they wrote, Surya feels natural and very comfortable in the role of a firebrand advocate. Yes, exactly. It is as if he is not just performing the lines written by the director, but he really believes in every word and gesture he delivers in this film. Exactly, we could see it was so natural. His performance was completely natural. Now, coming to the last review, it's from First Post, and they gave the film again a 4 out of 5, and they wrote, Jai Bhim is hard hitting and intense. Unlike most commercial star vehicles, the film is decisively realistic. It tells a deeply important story with a great nuance, ensuring that the people are not reduced to stereotypes. Now, this was all about the critics' review about this movie. Now, let me tell you a very short controversy that happened about this movie, and I feel that that was very unnecessary. So basically, there was a scene in the film where Prakash Raj's character Perumal Swamy slaps a man for speaking in Hindi and tells him to speak in Tamil, and that sparked a lot of controversy because Hindi-speaking people got offended and found that really insulting. But actually, the character Perumal Swamy was not able to understand Hindi, and that person was able to speak in both Hindi and Tamil. So that's why Perumal Swamy asked the person to speak in Tamil because he was not able to understand and was very confused. And that is completely fair enough. Everyone does not need to know Hindi. Just because a majority of people speak in Hindi does not mean that everyone should know the language. So that was the controversy about it, and I found that really unnecessary and also kind of stupid, because in a movie where so many major issues are shown and brought into forefront, all you could see was that small thing, which was actually not to insult Hindi speaking people, but just to, it was just the demand of the character. So that was all about the controversy that happened around the movie, except that, nothing else. So it's pretty evident that this movie got a lot of positive response. People loved it. They really liked the factor that the ground reality was brought into forefront and people got to know about it. So as like it's very evident from the IMDb rating and the critics review. So tell us in the comment section what you felt about the movie, how you liked the movie, how you perceived the theme, the message that the movie wanted to give to the audience. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like and share it. And I'll see you in another review video. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe.